Come on down.
Okay. We don't know what that. What's that? Open it.
Is it a present for you?
Open it, Evan. I am going to with this tape.
Just rip it open.
How
On the sides, Evan.
Evan, I'll get the tape off.
Sarah, scoot out of the way, baby.
Oh,
What is it, buddy?
What is it?
DS game, including a DS inside. A DS!
Come here, bring it out, bud.
Can you open it? A DS, a DS, a
Go
DS.
show it to mommy.
What do you have?
A DS.
You're kidding me.
And there's a game inside.
What is it? What game?
It's Mario vs. Donkey Kong Mini Land Mayhem.
Wow. Sounds awesome. Well, show Daddy. Maybe he can open it for you.